Hello friends, hope all you are fine and doing well. Welcome to our channel HVAC. In today's video, we are going to see Daikin VRV System Design. In today's video, we will take a deep dive into the most advanced HVAC technology in the world, the Daikin VRV system. If you have ever wondered how a massive commercial building, offices, and even luxurious homes stay perfectly cooled and heated with minimal energy, the secret often lies with the VRV or VRF system, Variable Refrigerant Volume System. In this video, I will break you down how the Daikin VRV system works, the component involvement, and the most important, how to design a VRV system step by step. So friend, let's start our today's topic, Daikin VRV System Design. Friend, those who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe so you never miss an interesting insight, tips and tutorials. So friend, let's start our today's Daikin VRV system design. Firstly, what is VRV? VRV stands for Variable Refrigerant Volume. The Variable Refrigerant Volume System, a term originally coined by the Daikin in 1982. It has designed and developed the VRV system. So it has taken the patent of VRV. It is the essential modular energy efficient HVAC system that adjusts the flow of refrigerant to multiple indoor units based on the demand. The outdoor unit will supply the refrigerant according to the requirement of each zone or each indoor unit. Formally, there are mainly four types of VRF system categorized by their function. First will be the cooling only VRV or VRF system. Two pipe, it will provide only cooling, no heating. The second is heat pump VRV or VRF system. This is also two pipe system. It will either heat or either giving cool. Simultaneously, it will not give a one zone with heating and one zone of cooling. It will either provide heat or either it will provide the cooling in a building. The third is heat recovery system VRF. This is the three pipe system. It will give simultaneously heating or cooling in different zone. The new one is our water cooled VRV VRF system. The rest will remain the same, but it will use as a water as a heat exchange instead of refrigeration. Next will be friends, what is VRV and VRF? VRV stands for Variable Refrigerant Volume and VRF stands for Variable Refrigerant Flow. This is essentially the same technology, but difference is mainly their branding. The VRV is used by Daikin only. This is the trademark of Daikin. The VRF, all the other brands are using VRF brand. Example, Mitsubishi Electric, LG, Toshiba VRF, Samsung VRF, they are all using the same brand. The generic term is all used by these brands, that is Variable Refrigerant Flow. Next we will see how the VRV system work, or how does a VRV system work. A VRV system is a multiple split HV system that precisely controls the amount of refrigerant sent to each indoor unit depending on the cooling or heating demand in each zone. Friends, if in a home there is a particular requirement in a particular area, it will give heating or cooling to that zone only. Suppose this is the dining area, nobody is here. In the bedroom, nobody is here, but people are sitting in the drawing room or living room. It will supply the refrigerant in this zone or this area only. So this way you can save the energy bill. Only a minimum amount of energy is required for a system to maintain the set temperature. Ensure that the automatically shut off with no occupant are detected in the room. There are sensors which can detect there are occupant is there or not. This unique mechanism achiever is more sustainability in long run, as end user will save on energy bill. Up to 64 indoor unit can be connected to the one outdoor unit system. The VRV system operates similar to the multi-pit system. Each indoor unit determines the occupant need based on the current indoor temperature and requested temperature from the remote control. Either it can be set by the centralized or it can be set by the individual machines also. Nextly, we will see the flow diagram of the Daikin VRV system. This is the outdoor unit. And these are the piping is done with the help of wire joints. Or branch. This is the branch. And this is our suction line. These are the major units that are being used in designing the VRV system. The first will be our outdoor unit. Okay, these are they house the compressor. Okay, inverter compressor. This is the outdoor unit. Next will be the indoor unit. These are all the indoor unit. You can see 4-way cassette, high wall, ductable unit. This is the 2-way cassette unit. Okay, the next are the VRV piping network. You can see these are the VRV piping network. These are connected with the copper piping. Okay, and with the help of wire joints. These are the single line diagram or schematic layout of Daikin VRV system. Next will be the controller system, centralized or individual zone control. This can be controlled by the individual remote, or you can apply a centralized control system also. Friends, the Daikin VRV system or any other VRV system works on the how much demand or required temperature to be set in a particular zone. Okay, see the total demand amount of all the indoor unit will be determined how the outdoor unit adjusts the refrigerant volume and set temperature accordingly. Okay, by only supplying the cooling or heating that's needed, the inverter compressor continues to save a large amount of energy during VRV operation. Let's see one more example, friends. Suppose consider there are 4 zones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and people are sitting in these 2 zones only, so it will not supply this zone. Okay, it will supply in these 2 zones only. Okay friends, clear? I think. Friends, let's see, our next topic is Daikin VRV indoor units. Okay, we will see the indoor units and their capacity index and their ports. Okay, first we will see the ceiling mounted cassette unit. Okay, the model is FXQ 100. Okay, it may be 63, it may be 50 or 125 or 140. It depends upon what is your need. This is the 4-way cassette unit. Okay, and this is the capacity index 100. Every indoor unit have its own capacity index or CI value. If you want to find the HP of this one, just divide by 25. You will get the HP. Suppose it is 100. You divide by 100, it will be 4 HP. And if you multiply by 0.8, you will get the TR. Okay, for this unit it will be 3.2 TR. This is you can take a copy. Okay, you can write this one. This is very important to find the TR or HP of a particular system. Okay, of indoor unit. The next one is model FXCQ80. This is the 2-way cassette unit 80. Okay, the TR will be 2.6. You can calculate by dividing 25 and multiply 0.8. You will get 2.6 unit. Okay friends, the next indoor unit we are going to see is ceiling mounted ductable unit. Okay, FXMQ80. Similarly, it will be 3.2 HP. Okay, if you divide by 25 and multiply by 0.8, it will be 2.6. Okay, the next one is wall mount unit. You can say this is the split unit. Okay, this is FXAQ50. Okay, this is 1.6 TR. Similarly, you can divide and multiply. You will get the HP and TR of a particular indoor unit. There are a lot more indoor unit we will discuss in the later. Just give you introduction about the VRV indoor units and their unit capacity, how to find the TR as well as HP. Next, we will see the outdoor unit. There are single modular unit, combination, and then triple one is also known as combination. Up from 6 to 20, you will find 60 indoor unit. Friends, the capacity of this Daikin VRV outdoor unit is from 6 to 60. Okay, in combination, if you go more like a 60 HP your system is, you can use 20 20 20. Okay, by combining all the outdoor units. Friends, it's come in 6 to 20 HP. Okay, suppose you want to 30 HP you have to create, you can add 10 plus 20. If you want 60 HP you can use 20. Okay, 20 and 20, you will get 60 HP. Okay friends, now friends, let me see how it's work. Okay, these are the 3 outdoor units we have placed: 18 HP, 16 HP, 14 HP. Okay, and these are 5 are connected with the help of Y joint. These are all the indoor units. You can see This is the 18 HP, 16 HP, 14 HP. You have heard the term master and slave. Okay, how it is work. Okay, if the system is working below 16 HP means or up to 18 HP, okay, only this will start and this will work. Rest of the two will not work. Okay, this way you will save the energy. Okay, after 20 HP it will start to work. After that it will work. Okay, I hope you clear. If all the system are running means all the indoor unit are working, then all the three will work. If it is not required, it will not work this 14 or 16 work. It will work 18 HP, or if it go beyond 18 HP it will start working. Okay, this way it is done. Okay, you now hope you cleared about master and slave in the Daikin VRV outdoor units. Now friends, we will see some limitation. There are some limitation in while designing the Daikin VRV system. We will see in the catalog. Okay, this is the catalog of VRVX for Daikin. This is the pipe length and height limitation of Daikin VRV system. So first one will be our 1000-meter piping length. Okay, maximum total piping length. What does this mean? This means is you can use up to 500 meter in suction and 500 meter in discharge. Okay friends, this is the first limitation is there. The second one is from outdoor unit to the last indoor unit, maximum equivalent piping length should not be more than 190 meters. Okay friends, this is the limitation. Okay, the next one is between the first indoor unit branch and the farthest indoor unit. Okay, from the branch to the farthest indoor unit, it should not be more than 90 meter, but mostly we are using 40 meters. Okay, for this 90 meter we have to make some changes in the piping. We have to increase the dia to get the 90 meter. Mostly we are doing below 40 meters. I will show you how we can go up to 90 meter also. The next one is 13 meter. From this outdoor to this outdoor, it should not be max more than 13 meter between the outdoor branch and the last outdoor unit. Okay friends, these are the basic limitation you have to follow. Maximum level between the indoor unit 30 meters. Okay, the maximum level should not be more than 30 meter. If it is more than, you have to break the system. Okay, this is the first few limitation while designing the our Daikin VRV system. You can see here actual pipe length 165 meters. You can go up to 190 meter. Total pipe length 1000 meter. Okay, between the first outdoor branch and the farthest is 90 meters. Okay, rest we have discussed. We will discuss this 90 meter also, how we can go up to 90 meter. There are some conditions we have to follow before going that. Okay, this is the combination ratio, or you can say the connection ratio. The connection ratio maximum is 200. It can go from 50 to 200. The total index value of the indoor unit divided by the outdoor unit capacity, you will get the connection ratio. Okay, the other things are in a single outdoor unit you can go up to 200, but the limitation is that it should be FXDQ. If it is, this is FXAQ or MQ. In these three other unit you cannot go beyond 130%. 130% is the red line. Okay, the double in you can go up to 60, and the triple you can go up to 130. Okay friends, this is the red line for Daikin VRV system. These are the some of the basic requirement you have to follow while designing the Daikin VRV system. Now friends, let's see how we can go up to 90 meter that we have discussed. Okay, if it is going above 90 meters, suppose, okay, so we have to increase the dia, okay, of the pipe, increase the pipe size. If it is going beyond 40 meters, okay, these are the conditions. If it is going below, you do not have to do any arrangement. If it is going above, you have to increase. You can see here, allowable length for the first refrigerant branch kit to indoor units is 40 meter or less. Okay. However, it can be go extend up to 90 meters if all the following conditions are satisfied. Okay, you have to satisfy these conditions. So from here to here you have to increase the dia. You don't have to increase the indoor size. Okay friends, suppose if it is 9.5, this one, it will be increased to 12.5, it will be half. Okay, it is 15.8, this one, it will be increased to 19.1. if it is 22.2, it will be increased to 25. By following this method, you can increase your pipe length above 40 meter if there is a requirement. Okay friends, I hope you understand. Means you have to increase this pipe length, pipe dia, not the length. Okay friends, so you can go up to our 90 meters that we have discussed earlier. So friends, I hope you have cleared up to this one. There are a lot more things we cannot discuss in the single video. So you can see this is the outdoor unit capacity up to 60 HP, increment of 2 HP. Okay, this is the single outdoor 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, okay, 20. If you go for combination 22, 24, 28, 26, 30, okay, and the codes are RX, YQ, 22A, RVI, 6, okay, and this is the triple combination from 42 to 60 HP, okay, and these are the codes. So friend, I hope you like my video. If you like, please subscribe, comment. There are a lot more content coming up on your way. I will see you in the next video. Bye.